It's fall, y'all, and it's official. So I thought I'd share with you a mini album that's all about fall. Hello everyone, this is Sula here from MistyHilltops.com, and today I have a flip through of an older autumn mini album that I made some years ago. I used a paper pack that is available in Europe in what's called action stores. They're pretty cheap. They're Craft Sensations, I think. That's the brand of it, if you can call it a brand. And so they're pretty. They're on the cheaper end of things. So here I have just a belly band and then some little booklets where I have the pictures in. So I made these to go in here, then a pocket to go in here, and then this one says September, a tag. So most of this is cut with my Silhouette machine. Here I made a little ribbon, a little flip to flip open, and show some pictures there. I think that year we had a really pretty fall, which we don't always have, we don't always get. And so that was something special to hold on to. And then behind here is another tuck space, and I do add some more flaps. So this one says October, and it has a picture. It's a photo mat that has pictures on both sides of it. Now usually I stopped using, this is not a waterfall but similar, I stopped using double-sided tape. This paper is thick enough so it doesn't actually show through, but I've noticed that many times when I use thinner papers and this double-sided tape, that the double-sided tape will show through wherever I put it, or even stop sticking all around. And I've even on YouTube I found out that some people say they have similar experiences. So I stopped using double-sided tape because I just don't like what it does after a long time. So here's another little mini album. So this entire album is an album that was available in the Silhouette store. It's a 5x7 album, and so it has the outside, I'm sure, is a little bigger, but I think the pages are 5x7 inches. And then I have a lot of little mini album files in my Silhouette library, and I like to use them instead of using them to create its own mini album. I just use them in my mini album. So this is one of these albums. I stick the backside on the page, and then it turns into a multiple photo flip or booklet. Same goes here. This is another mini album that I just resized. I think it's probably like either 3x4 or 4x6 size in the Silhouette store. This is probably by Whitlock, who's one of my favorite Silhouette designers. And so I get a lot of her designs from the Silhouette store. So basically it's just another little mini album in a mini album. So, and gives me lots of photo spots. So this one actually, sometimes they have a nice little wrap around for a back binding, but this one doesn't. I didn't include it here. Just it has 2 holes, and that's how I do the binding. And this is the same, and it's just full of photos from our autumn time. This is a stamp. Then here is another pocket, and I have this cute little ribbon that I got somewhere in one of the stores. And then here are little booklets again with more photos. So they're full of photos. Then this is another silhouette cut file that I have in my library, and again I created just using a stenciled font and then just a tag. You can either make the tag yourself or in the silhouette software, or just use one that you already have in your library. This is another kind of mini album that I have made to go with, and here in the back is another text space, which obviously I haven't used that for journaling yet. And so here it shows the title, but then it opens up and there's a photo underneath. I wonder, I guess, oh no, this goes from here. Okay, so this is a big pocket, and then it has a belly band. So I think this is where the page might got stuck in the wrong place, but I'm gonna pull it out anyway. That double-sided tape is still sticking, but I might have messed it up now. But this one is supposed to go not underneath. So another mat where I have 2 photos on, and this is a label that I got from the Silhouette store. I have a lot of cut files that are just generic cut files. So this one, I have to figure out how this opens. There has to be something that opens. I guess that's how it opens. So this one opens this way and then this way. I'm not sure if you can even see the whole thing, so somehow it was stuck there. So, and then a little belly band here. And then I made these little pockets that go across the page, and then it gives lots of room for more photos. And then this is also another cut file from the Silhouette. I think it's supposed to be a pocket mini album or something, and I just use it once to make a pocket. And this is my autumn mini album. So I hope you liked this. If you did, consider hitting the thumbs up button, and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye.